Maximize your mojo. Hi, and welcome to our BioHairMD technology. Our BioHairMD technology includes Robotic Artificial Intelligence Energy Hair Technology, raising the standard of FUE hair transplants, next generation high-tech, less than 5% transection rate, highest graft viability, hair laser therapy, highly effective, non-invasive, non-maintenance, SMP Scalp Micro-pigmentation, thicken hair density, create a non-existing hairline, camouflage scars, PRP and advanced biologicals, 25 times the concentration, rapid dramatic results, lasting effects. Nutraceutical Energy, hormones, stress, environment, metabolism, nutrition. Game-changing referral marketing system. Attract patients to the door. Learn how to sell high-ticket packages. Receive professional one-on-one coaching. Go to myhairmeeting.com to schedule a discovery meeting.